In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style rich text elements connected to CMS collections in Webflow. Whether you're new to Webflow or just looking to enhance your design skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a simple and efficient manner. Rich text. Elements in Webflow are essentially a combination of various text types, all grouped together within a single text box or component. Think of it as a versatile container that can hold paragraphs, headers, lists, and more, each styled to fit into your overall design. The beauty of rich text elements is their flexibility, allowing you to make site-wide changes with ease. One of the best ways to start customizing your rich text styles is by using text classes, which act as reusable style settings that you can apply across different elements. To visualize and edit these text classes more effectively, we can add a new rich text element to our page. This step sets up a template filled with the existing text classes, ensuring that you have a clear overview of what you'll be working on. It's a practical approach that not only helps you identify the styles you want to change, but also offers a hands-on experience in manipulating them. As an example, let's say you want to modify the color of your heading 1 within the rich text element. Once you have your rich text element in place, look over at the right panel where you'll find the Style selector. This tool lets you choose specific text styles, so go ahead and select all H1 headings. This is where the magic happens. By adjusting the color for this class type, you're making a global change. All instances of heading 1 across your site, including those connected to CMS collections, will automatically reflect this new color. It's an efficient way to maintain consistency across your site without painstakingly editing each instance manually. By leveraging class types, you streamline the styling process, ensuring uniformity and saving precious time. Just remember, this method works effectively only if the elements you intend to modify share the same class types. It's all about making your design process smarter and more cohesive. So to wrap up, using text classes with rich text elements in Webflow allows for considerable flexibility and efficiency. By following the steps we've outlined today, you'll be able to create a consistent and visually appealing website, reflecting your style with minimal effort. Remember, the key lies in the power of class types and the ability to make changes that instantly update every related element across your project. Enjoy experimenting with these features and watch your Webflow skills grow.